My student, this is very important, but very, very critical. Come with me. Lesson number 21. It is very simple, but we have a serious puzzle here. We must feel it with you. Now, we're going to learn about verbs in terms of verbs to be, verbs to do, and verbs to have. Now, we're going to learn them in sections. Which are these sections? In the present, in the past, and also in the future. Now, be very keen, because this table, once you filled it correctly, you will have a good scorecard in grammar, that is, in the verbs. Now, come with me. In the present, to be, I. In the present, you'll say, I am. I am. That is in the present. Now, let's move to you. You are. You are. You are. Right, let's move. He. He is. He is. He is. He is. I don't know. Just make joke with your mind. Just play with your mind and feel it before I write, so that you will know that you really know grammar correctly. Let's move. She. She is. She is. That is in the present. She is. Alright, let's move. It. It. Who can tell me? Can you guess? Can you guess? Guess. I want you to guess. It is. It is. It is. Now, make sure that by the time I'm done, you have also guessed to your endpoint. Now, let's move. Now, let's move to the past. The past of to be in the verbs. I was. I was. You, second person, you were. Don't know if you're getting this correctly. We, you cannot say we was. It is we were. Don't know if you're getting this correctly. She was cleaning the hotel. It was raining yesterday. To that end, what have you scored? Let's continue. Now, in the future, let's move now. In the future, I will. Are we together? Now, to make it complete, you'll say, I will be a pilot. Will be. Remember, it's to be. So, I will be a teacher. Now, let's move. You will be. It is very simple. We will be. She will be. Will be. Another one. It will be a marvelous event. Will be. Perfect. Now, let's move now to do. To do at the moment. I do. Are you scoring? Are you scoring something? I do. You do. He, you can't say he do. You will say he does. She, of course, does. It does. Now let's move now to the past of to do. I did. Are we together? I did. I did my homework yesterday. You did. Very simple. I don't know if you're scoring something. He did. She did. It. Can you guess? Did not train yesterday. I don't know you in your place. Is it raining in your place? It did not rain yesterday here in Latvia. I don't know in your place. We have some drizzles. Nevertheless, now in the future, to do. I will do. I will do. You will do. It's a very nice table. I really want to wish and hope that you learn great things here. Now let's move to the next. We will do. Let's move to the next. She will do. Let's move to the next. It will. I'm waiting for you. Can you guess? I'm waiting for you. Can you guess before I tell you the answer? I'm waiting for you. It will. I'm waiting for you. Guess in the future. What's your answer? Before I tell you mine? I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. It will do. Don't overthink. It will do. Very simple. Now, let's move to the last phase. I have. Are you together? Let me show you. I have. You have. That is in the present. He has. Don't say he have. He have gone to school. You. He has. She has. It has. It has been a great and marvelous and joyful day. Right, let's move to the past. To have. I had dreamt yesternight. You had. He had. She had. It. Are you together? Right, let's move to the future. Very simple. Now, in the future of to have, what will it say? I will have. Will have. You will have. Can you feel the next? We will have. She will have. will, have. Good people. Out of the whole bracket here, how much did you score? Write in the comments, tell me what did you score. Be very genuine and tell me, did you know all about this? Thank you so much for people who are tuned in. We have learned about the verbs in, to be, to do, and to have. That is in present, in the past, and also in the future. Thank you so much for those who tuned in. This is your moment to get grammar. Thank you so much. May you have a good moment. Thank you.